like to provide for you a quick overview of registering for the investment model. From the email that you received, there should be a link in there which should take you to this investment model registration form. This form will be used to allow you to submit your information requesting the investment model. We would ask that you provide your first and last name, your cell phone number, as well as your email address, and then also your Venmo account. So I'll just go through quickly and fill this in. With some dummy information. As I fill this in, it will hit tab. It'll allow you to move from one to the next. And as we get to the bottom, the Venmo account, again, this is to submit your monthly subscription cost. So you'll enter your Venmo account, which will allow us to request the subscription payment. So once you've done this, then you just merely submit the request form. And here you'll see it'll just provide a quick summary, again, with the amount that is to be paid, and it also highlights the Venmo account that the money needs to be sent to. Once you've submitted your payment, then we will go through and process that, and we will email to you a copy of the Excel file for you to begin using. Once you've received the Excel file, go ahead and download that file, place it on your computer, and then open the file up. One of the things you're going to notice is the file hasn't been licensed yet. And so the first time you open the file, you have to go through a process to provide the information which is needed so that the licensing of your file can be set up. So you notice here as I open the file, it will take a little bit for that file to open up because it's checking to see if the licensing information is available yet. One of the things you'll notice, because you haven't been licensed yet, it's going to ask that you're connected to the internet. So be sure that you're connected to the internet. So click OK once you are, and from there then it's going to go through the process of doing the validation. You'll notice in this case that it is sending this information or providing information related to your registration. Because you haven't submitted your information previously, this information actually is going to be copied and placed on the clipboard. So if you click the yes button, it should open up for you a web browser. That web browser is going to take you to another licensing form. In this form, again, you'll fill in your information. Be sure that as you fill in your email address, that it's the same email address that you provided previously in the other form. And then once you get to the registration information, as you'll see, it is noticed, it's mentioned here, you can just right click on your answer and select paste, or you could do Control V on your keyboard. Either one of those will work. It should paste that information right into the form for you, so you don't have to key it in. Once that's available, click the submit button. That information will come to us for review, and we'll get the licensing information set up. Once that is set up, you'll receive an email back to us. When you receive that email back, you should then be able to open the file and utilize it at your leisure. Thank you very much.